Now we come to the most interesting part of our exhibition, products you need to know. The TOA WGD100 Tour Guiding System. My name is Johannes, I'm working at TOA and I'm your tour guide for the day. Tour guiding systems are a perfect match for any tour you would like to give, for example in a museum or in a gallery. The WGD100 makes use of up to 20 channels. You may want to use those channels, for example, for different languages or different tours. You have a reach of up to 100 meter indoor and 150 meter outdoor. System design is for robust transmission and good speech intelligibility. Audio is transmitted digitally using audio frequency up to 3.8 kHz. Every visitor needs a WGD100R. The unit is preset to a specific channel. Switching channels requires a special operation while powering on. This is to make sure that no accidental push of a button lets you lose the connection. Volume of the headphones can easily be adjusted on the side. Display shows signal strength, battery status, and the internal battery can be charged using USB-C plug. The receiver comes with a mono headphone, a tie clip and a lanyard. As a tour guide, I will need the WGD100T. It has an internal microphone so that you can even use it without any further equipment. Nevertheless, it comes with a lavalier microphone. Using the CTIA socket, you may also use your personal headset as you may have from your smartphone. At ISE 2020, I used this system to hold presentations at our booth. To fit to this noisy environment, I used TOA HM22 and a special adapter. After the tour is before the tour. The TC12A can be used to collect all the units. It's easily transportable and very robust. Under the top cover, you find enough space to store all the headphones and microphones. On the inside, there is place for up to 12 units, which can easily be charged all together using the included adapter. Using the WGD100SK, you can easily synchronize all the units to a specific channel. So, dear visitors, please get your headphones ready. Check. Can you hear me? For hands-free operation, I personally prefer to use lavalier microphone. Thank you for your interest in our exhibition. I hope to see you again on the next tour.